Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike, a game changer in the world of electric bikes. This is not just your average Ebike, it's a high-performance, top-notch quality, and reliable mode of transportation that will elevate your riding experience to a whole new level. Let's start with the transportation time. We've got you covered, whether you're in the United States, Russia, Korea, Japan, Mexico, Canada, or EU countries. With swift delivery times of 37 days in EU countries and about 12 days in Korea, Japan, you can rest assured that your Ebike will be in your hands in no time. And guess what? We've got a duty-free zone in the EU countries, so you can save big on customs duties now. Let's dive into the features of this beast of an Ebike. The DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike is equipped with a high-torque brushless motor, a 48V20Ah removable lithium battery, a Shimano 7-speed system, and front and rear shock absorption. Not to mention the high-performance braking system and the smart cruise control that adds an extra layer of safety and convenience to your rides. Plus, with 3 riding modes: pure electric, assistant mode, and manual mode, you have the flexibility to choose the mode that suits your needs. And the best part? It's suitable for all terrains. Whether you want to tackle mountain roads, sandy beaches, or snowy paths, the DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike has got you covered. Plus, it's foldable, making it super convenient for travel and storage. And let's not forget about the warranty. With a 12-month warranty on the battery, motor, charger, and controller, you can ride with peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the DEEPOWER 2000W Adults Electric Bike and take your riding experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video, and happy riding.